Getting children to fall asleep quickly is one of the biggest struggles for parents. But good news today, I'll share scientifically proven, parent-approved techniques that help kids sleep faster, sleep deeper, and wake up happier. Before we start, health brand-friendly reminder, for more important health advice like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Number 1. Create a consistent sleep routine. Children fall asleep faster when their body knows it's bedtime. Keep a fixed schedule daily, same sleep time, same wake-up time. This helps regulate their internal clock and reduces bedtime resistance. Number 2. Reduce screen time. 1 hour before bed. Blue light from phones, tablets, and TVs suppresses melatonin, the hormone responsible for sleep. So turn off screens at least 60 minutes before sleep. Read a story or play soft music instead. Number 3. Keep the room dark and cool. A slightly cool room around 20 C helps kids fall asleep faster. Use dim warm lights and blackout curtains for a peaceful environment. Number 4. Use the 4-7-8 breathing trick. Teach your child simple breathing. 4 seconds inhale, 7 seconds hold, 8 seconds exhale. This reduces anxiety and relaxes the nervous system. Number 5. Give a warm bath before bed. A warm bath relaxes body muscles and signals the brain that sleep is coming soon. It also lowers stress and improves sleep quality. Number 6. Avoid sugary foods at night. Sugar keeps kids hyperactive and delays sleep. Offer light snacks like warm milk, banana, yogurt, or oats if they feel hungry. Number 7. Use soft white noise. Gentle white noise masks background sounds and helps children fall asleep quickly. Fan noise, soft rain, or ocean waves work best. Number 8. Give them a comfort item. A soft blanket, stuffed toy, or pillow increases emotional security. Kids fall asleep faster when they feel safe. Number 9. Avoid long naps during the day. Too much daytime sleep makes night sleep difficult. Limit naps depending on the child's age. Number 10. Stay calm and reassuring. Kids can feel a parent's stress. Speak softly, avoid scolding, and create a calm bedtime environment. Final reminder: healthy sleep shapes a child's brain development, learning ability, and emotional well-being. So follow these simple steps and notice the difference within days. And remember, for more important health advice like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel.